Good afternoon, everybody. Today, 22nd December, in all over India, celebrating National Math Day. Like this, we are celebrating National Maths Day in our school. So, we are display here some of the geometrical parts, some exhibits on the occasion of the National Math Day. On this occasions, our beloved HOD, Mr. Naidu sir, will come over here and give the importance of the National Mathematics Day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon to all. Today we shall celebrating Ramanujan birthday. So now I will delivering small speech about Srinivasan Ramanujan, the remarkable mathematical genius and one of the figures in the history of mathematics. Ramanujan did not receive university education in India and was greatly handicapped by poverty. He was taken to Cambridge in 1914, where he worked in collaboration with the English mathematician J.H. Hardy. Cambridge University conferred the honorary BA degree on him in 1916. But he returned to India 1919 and was selected Fellow of Royal Society in India. Unable to cope with the weather, many institutions tried to arrange for treatment to him, but Ramanujan passed away on August 20, 1920. He was 32. Then Srinivasa Ramanujan born 22 December 1887 into a Tamil Brahmin Iyengar family in Erode, Madras, presently now Tamil Nadu in India. His father Kuppuswamy Srinivasa Ramanujan Iyengar, originally from Tanjavur. Srinivasa Ramanujan was one of India's greatest mathematical genius. He made contribution the analytic theory of numbers and worked on elliptic functions, continued fraction, and infinite series. Ramanujan was a year old. His mother took him to the town of Kumbakonam near Madras. His father worked in a Kumbakonam as a clerk in a cloth merchant shop. When he was 5 years old, Ramanujan went to the primary school in Kumbakonam. In 1900, he began to work on his own mathematics, Sunday geometry and arithmetic series. Ramanujan was shown how to solve cubic equation in 1902, and he went on find his own method to solve the quadratic. Ramanujan used this to teach himself mathematics. The book continued theory, MS formulas and short proofs. It is also continued and indexed to papers to poor mathematics. He investigated the series 1 by n and calculated Euler's constant to 15 decimals places. He began to study the numbers. Ramanujan notebooks began to Hardy had already received 120 theorems from Ramanujan. In first two letters, Ramanujan and Hardy had highly constructing personalities. Their collaboration was class of different cultures, beliefs and working styles different. In 1903, he was 16. Ramanujan obtained from a friend a library copy, a synopsis of elementary result in pure and applied mathematics. GS cross correct 500 theorems and calculate. And finally, Srinivasa Ramanujan number is 1729. 1729 is equals to 1728 plus 1 is equals to 12q plus 1q, and 1729 is equals to 1000 plus 729, 10q plus 9q. He said it is the smallest number that can be expressed as a sum of two cubes in two different ways. This is the Srinivas Ramanujan Hardy number. This is the, thank you.
नमस्कार विद्यार्थियों, आज हमारे यहाँ पर हम हमारे डिपार्टमेंट में, हमारे JNV में सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं नेशनल मैथमेटिकल डे, जिनका बर्थडे है वो की श्रीनिवास रामानुजन। इनके बर्थडे पर हम नेशनल मैथमेटिक्स डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। ओके, तो हमारे इस प्रोग्राम में हम सभी पार्टिसिपेट हो चुके हैं। तो यही प्रोग्राम में हमारे हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट, इन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से रामानुजन जी के बारे में बताया गया है। ये ग्रेट मैथमेटिशियन है, आपको भी पता है, और सर ने बहुत अच्छी तरह से एक्सप्लेन किया है, इसलिए हम उनके आभारी हैं। और वैसे ही डुमने सर ने भी बहुत अच्छी तरीके से हमें कहा है हर चीज़ें, उस हिसाब से हम उनके भी आभारी हैं। और यहाँ पर जो भी अरेंजमेंट किया है मैथमेटिक्स डिपार्टमेंट में, जैसे हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट नायडू सर, डुमने सर, जैसे कि हमने सभी आपके लिए कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ रखी थी सामने। आपके लिए शेप्स क्या होते हैं, मीन्स वॉचेस कैसी रहती है, और ट्रायंगल्स कैसे होते हैं, और बाद में फिर टेंजेंट, नॉर्मल, बायनॉर्मल कैसे मीन्स कैसे होते हैं। तो ये सारी चीज़ें की एक्टिविटीज़ आपके सामने हमने रिप्रेजेंट की थी। तो आपको अच्छा ही लगा होगा, इसलिए हम आपके आभारी हैं। धन्यवाद।